Welcome to Healthy Eating. Let's start. Kachnaar Recipe. Mountain ebony or butterfly ash, Kachnaar, ½ kilogram. Chicken boneless, ½ kilogram. Onion, 3 medium size. Tomato curry, 1 cup. Grind green chilies, 4 to 5. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. Hot spices garam masala, 1 tablespoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. Cream, 1 cup. Potatoes, 2 medium size. Holy basil tulsi leaves for garnishing. Add oil and butterfly ash in pan and shallow fry them. Take out butterfly ash as they become shallow fry. Take oil in pan and add onion to shallow fry them. Now add chicken and golden fry it. As the chicken become golden fry, add ginger garlic paste and grind green chilies. Now add masalas and mix it well. Add tomato curry and mix it well. Cover it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, now add fried butterfly ash. Mix it well. Add cream. Add potatoes. Cover it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, now add hot spices garam masala and mix it well. Again, cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now dish out it. Our dish is ready. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and share our videos and subscribe our channel. Also give feedback through comment section.